It's like, it's cold.
Is it cold?
Yeah, I like stuff like that.
We are at the McDowell Nature Preserve. We're trying to find a playground for the kids, but I mean, this is pretty awesome. There's a campsite. You can go camping here, RV or no RV.
Oh, it's being a car.
Like, look how pretty this is. This is a park. These crazy trees. So we're going to see where the nature center is, but we just passed a road and they do kayak tours back there, so because we're by Lake Wiley. So yeah.
The good thing I'm not running. Because if I was running right now, I could not even do stuff. And then I'll just be like, run right into that wooden.
I don't think you can see anything in there. Go get the $2.
How cute, terrible. Zero.
Emma, come here.
There's no zero.
The froggy.
It's an actual.
So I'm in flip-flops because I didn't know we were coming here, and there's like these giant ants. So I don't know if you can see them. I don't know where to go.
They're like all over the floor.
So I'm trying not to stay still for very long because I don't know if they bite, and I don't want to find out.
There's red ones and black. I saw.
I don't know what that is. Tree ball.
That's actually moss.
So there's all these different trails you can take, and they're like rated on,
And we're going
I guess, how difficult they are to hike.
We're going to Chestnut Trail.
I don't know what we're on, but I'm in flip-flops, so this will be
We're
fun.
going.
It's just trees for days.
There's some roots and branches on the steps.
Like giant ants.
Okay, so no,
Oh,
I have to
jeez.
kiss my shoelaces. Whoa.
So I'm like walking under this,
We're gonna go under.
and Logan takes it upon himself.
Mom, don't.
Yeah, I'm right under it, and Logan goes, what would you do if you walked under that and that fell on top of you? Thanks, Logan. Good to know while I'm under it. Ooh.
I just walked over a canyon.
A canyon, Logan?
A small one.
Is that a giant spider? It is, you just can't tell. Giant spider! Ah. Okay. We're gonna leave him alone. Moving on. They left me. Emma kept tripping and falling because she's getting tired, so this is the only compromise so she doesn't cry. Emma's angry. Of course, Emma's always angry.
Uh-huh. Oh, there's a bunch of moss down. Oh, you can even walk down there because there's like a little path that just goes on there.
So we're coming near the end of the trail, I think, because there's cars, but I just wanted you to see, this would be amazing to like picnic down here. So there's these, no, there's these tables, chairs, and you're right next to this little creek.
And we're gonna go in it, but
hold on, buddy. You need to watch where you're going.
I will.
I will.
Because remember, I went all the way down to the waterfall. Can I feel the water?
Hmm?
Can I feel the water?
I guess. It's probably cold. Careful. Don't put your shoes in the water. What is that bug?
Stink, I think. Stink.
This crazy, like, gray. Oh.
It fell. Okay. You didn't
I don't know where it went.
It went back to the grass. It's like, that is cold.
Is it cold?
Yeah, I like stuck my hand in it. There she goes. Here it comes.
Go, Emma. Woo!
Down. Big down. Side. Whoa. I was not ready for that.
Go, Emma.
Side.
Emma. So we found Lake Wiley. We're just driving around. This is where they do kayak tours. Oh, there's a house over there. So this is a man-made lake? Is that what you read?
I have no idea, man. I don't remember.
So there's like kayak rentals. We're totally gonna do that, although we might just buy our own.
Yeah, we're gonna rent them.
We're gonna rent them, see how it goes, and then maybe buy our own. So I never said good morning today because I had all the windows open just to air out the apartment. And Sean took my car to get the AC fixed and then went to his new store, which he really liked. That's all you get.
Driving, sorry.
And then we came here. So we just played at a playground. I didn't get too much footage because there was other kids and we want to be respectful. Although there's this one mom there, she was really nice and I wanted to be her friend, but maybe if we ever see her again, then it'll be meant to be and I will introduce myself and we will be friends. So we're just driving around. We need to go eat lunch. It's almost 1 o'clock. I don't know how that happened. So we need to go eat. Emma needs a nap because she's insane. These kids don't do well when you tell them it's time to go home. Like, it's annoying. Start freaking out. Did we have fun? Yes. They're tired. So yeah, I'm glad we got out of the house today.
Just got back from Target, went a little grocery shopping for dinner and stuff, and in the process of cooking right now. Trying a new recipe today. Got some roasted veggies that we're gonna do. So I got some zucchini, red pepper, and asparagus all chopped up. And then in the oven, back up Emma, you gotta stay back when the oven opens. I got my roots going, I got carrots, sweet potato, and potato. Emma, take 2 steps back. 1, 2, I gotta open the oven.
Emma, come here, it's hot. Come here. Emma, come here.
And just a little bit of black pepper, and this pink Himalayan salt. I don't know. It's supposed to be like healthier or something. Shayna likes it. It tastes like salt. Alright, Emma, you gotta get away from the oven though while it's cooking. Don't touch the oven, it's hot. Ouchie. And then Shayna's playing The Sims.
Nuh-uh, that's a lie.
She's cyber stalking this house that she found online.
It's not somebody's house, it's like floor plans to a house that can be built.
And she found the floor plan for it. And she's trying to replicate the floor plans
Because I'm a Sims
in The
master.
Sims. Hi, Emma. Emma just got up from a nap, but she's cranky. Tell us all about it, little girl. Did you have fun at the park today? Yeah? I don't think you did. Pretty sure you were angry like the entire time.
No what?
No what?
You want to.
Okay. Emma, that's really gross. You know that? That's really gross. Emma has this terrible habit of chewing on the corner of her blanket until it's like a big soggy piece of fabric, and then she like shoves it into her nose or rubs her face with it. There she goes, cramming that thing into her nostrils. I can see you trying to hide behind that bag. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Alright, I'll stop torturing the baby. Emma, look. A birdie. Is that your birdie?
Birdie.
Mm-hmm.
It's corn.
Is the birdie broken because you made him go for a swim in the water bowl? Mm-hmm.
Keep being at the bar.
Alright, so we already ate. I totally forgot. End product. Vegetable medley. Oops. A huge mess. So the carrot, zucchini, bell pepper, asparagus, red potato, sweet potato. Is that everything? Yeah. And it had a little bit of basil and garlic powder. Aw. Shayna's poor Ninja Turtle cup got destroyed in the dishwasher.
That's why I bought 2 more to replace it before we move.
And burger now.
Emma, you should really sit up while you're eating, kid. No? You're just gonna lay there?
What are you doing? I heard that burp. Were you singing Happy Day? Sing Happy Birthday. Happy Day. You were saying Happy Day cake?
Happy cake.
There's no cake. There's no cakey.
Because you're eating it right now.
Emma, say happy birthday to Daddy. It's not his birthday. Get your toe, get your toe.
She's eating cake.
What are you doing? Daphne says you're all crazy. Oh, look at the toys over there. Hey, Daphne. Ah, Poopy.
I don't know.
Aw.
Oh, it's pretty cute.
Daphne's cute. Are you bad?
No.
Yes.
No.
You bad goo?
No.
Are you a bad goo?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Mom, I can't breathe.
You like Happy Day cake?
No.
No?
Yes. No. Yes.
Happy Day cake?
No.
Fine, you don't need any then. We don't have a cake.
Cake.
I don't know why she thinks we have cake.
Cake.
There's no cake.
Cake. Should say their cake.
What?
She says you need to make the cake.
What cake?
The one that you bought.
I didn't buy cake.
The one in the cabinet.
I didn't buy cake.
Cake.
Sean,
What?
I didn't buy cake.
So it's like about 11:30. Tomorrow's my birthday. Turning 32. Not really sure how I feel about that. I kind of like, I don't know. It's not really that big of a deal anymore. The last couple birthdays I've had have just been like, alright, I guess. I guess I'm just not one of those people who really freaks out about their age. Like, getting older doesn't really scare me that much. Anyways, we had a really long day. I woke up early to take the car in. It seems like whatever they did to the belt fixed the AC squeaking, so that's cool because it was a super cheap fix. Not really sure what's in store for tomorrow yet, but I don't know. We'll probably just make it up as we go. Everybody's tired, so tomorrow. Good night.